Man gets arrested, then makes it 100 times worse 15 days later. Oh.
Officers did eventually catch this man, but they did not know that this would not be their last encounter with him. Soon, they would come.
Bro, what a terrible run attempt, too. There was no exit plan there.
Face to face with him again, and this time it would be far more lethal.
Oh, okay. So he just does something again. I thought he like tried to complain about it for 2 weeks or some shit.
Around 4:38 p.m. on the evening of April 11th, 2025, this Cranston police officer notices a Nissan using the two-way left turn lane to pass another vehicle in the area of.
It's always a
Reservoir
fucking
Avenue,
Nissan. It's always a Nissan.
But as he initiates a traffic stop, he has no idea that this seemingly cooperative driver is about to pull a move that he does not anticipate.
Wait, he was getting arrested though.
I get it, man.
He was literally.
These drivers can be aggravating, but you can't be using that to pass, okay?
No, I'm sorry, but he was in my lane.
I hear you.
Like
he was trying to make the left turn. He was just trying to.
Yeah,
he's trying to be a deuce forcing you to stop. You know. I just need your driver's license.
Yes, sir. This is rental, by the way.
It's a rental.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stuff is in here, I think.
Is it rental? Is it in your name?
No, I can call the guy.
Rent a Nissan.
It's
Okay.
Nova.
Can I just see it quick?
Yeah.
It was like a cut like Turo. Why would you rent a Nissan?
Okay.
Can I just call him? Because I don't know exactly where it is. This is,
I'm not saying like is the rental like the car in your name. I'm saying the rental agreement. Did you go?
Oh yeah, it's in my name.
Okay.
The rental agreement's in my name.
You don't have the paperwork for that? Like it should be like a receipt or something.
No, because it was so this is him right here.
Okay.
This is like I pay
All right.
by Cash App.
What's the rental company?
Oh.
Nova. Let's see. I can actually.
Bro, if any company's charging you paying through Cash App, like that's a scam, bro.
I can call him right
No, that's cool, man. Don't worry about it.
It's Nova something.
Okay.
I just got this. Couple days
How's your
ago.
driver's license?
Oh, good.
It's good?
Yeah. It's not suspended or anything.
Okay. No recent tickets or anything?
No.
You ever been in trouble?
Yeah, I've done some time before. But,
For what?
I got caught with a first degree. Well, it was a second degree armed robbery.
Okay.
And then I got amended to a first degree armed robbery. That was in 2016.
Okay, so there's no weapons in the car or anything
No.
today?
No.
Okay. All right.
Like I said, man, he was just in my lane and
Yeah. I hear you, man.
I'm on my way to Providence.
I get you. Probably having a rough day.
Yeah.
Traffic's a pain in the ass.
Well, I'm going out tonight, so.
Yeah. Just give me 1 minute, okay?
Yeah.
The
You give a
driver is
fuck if you're going out tonight, Damien. No one cares.
Peterson, and while he appears forthcoming with the information he shares
Nah, he's forthcoming, but like too much. Like it's weird.
about himself, the officer is about to discover that there is much more he has chosen not to reveal. As the officer runs Damien's name through the database, he quickly discovers a decade-long criminal history filled with frequent, though non-violent offenses, ranging from property and theft crimes to financial fraud, substance-related violations, and harassment. But it is a file created by detectives within his own department that immediately puts him on alert. Cranston detectives had an active narcotics investigation involving Damien, and after gathering sufficient evidence of drug activity, an affidavit arrest warrant had already been signed and entered into the system.
Wow, dude. And only because he did this stupid ass cutoff thing, he gets caught for it. That's crazy.
Can you confirm a warrant for me? One person, no tradition.
What's the name?
Now, as the officer asks for backup and steps back out to speak with Damien, he doesn't know how desperately.
Oh, bro, I was gonna say, I'd be so annoyed if I'm like, oh, warrant showed up, and now I have to arrest this guy. Like, now I gotta, like, this is gonna be a whole thing. And then I didn't realize he could just call for backup. That's actually it. That makes sense.
Damien doesn't want to go to jail.
Hey, man, you're not in trouble or anything. Can you just step out for me real quick? I just want to talk to you.
Well, what did I do?
Just want to talk to you real quick. You just leave your phone right there. Just come in the back of the car.
Yo, how do you take the seatbelt off like that?
Just want to talk to you real quick. You just leave your phone right there. Just come in the back of the car.
He's not even wearing it right then. He has it done behind him, and then he just put the front piece over. Bro, that doesn't, you're not secured in there at all. And you're not going to get a ticket, but you're definitely going to die if you get hit.
No, I just want to talk to you quick.
Yeah.
Just come right here. You don't have any weapons on you or anything, right?
No.
Okay, I'm just going to check quick. I won't even make you put the cigarette out, all right? What is this?
Oh man, those are browns. Those are glass cups.
Yo, you cannot have those, dog.
Are they in this pocket right here?
Yeah. They're literally
Alright,
right
keep
there.
your hands on the car.
Yeah, bro, I literally got those from storage.
Okay. Alright, man. Just turn around, relax.
I'm sorry.
You can lean against the
I'm
car.
sorry.
What are you doing with brass knuckles on you?
I went to the storage unit today, my dad's storage unit. I can show you my phone, show you all the text messages, grab some of my stuff. I can pop my trunk and show you I have all my clothes and stuff. That was in my stuff, and I was going to bring them home. I have not been home
So
yet.
why'd you take it out of everything else and put it in your pocket?
Because when I was at the storage, I put them in my pocket.
Okay.
Bro, I'm not a violent person, bro. Like, honestly, they're cool. Like, that's it.
Yeah.
I'm not a violent person.
Okay. So when I asked if you ever been in trouble before, you've been in trouble quite a decent amount.
That's why I was telling
Oh, here we go.
you. Robbery, I have drug charge.
Okay. Is there any narcotics in the vehicle today?
No, sir.
Okay. There's not even any in there?
No, I don't smoke. I don't do no drugs. I'm on probation.
Bro says I don't smoke. Holding a cigarette.
I just got out a year ago. Like, I don't do anything.
Okay. Is there no or anything?
No, man, I don't do drugs.
All right.
I do not do drugs.
And there's no knives or anything?
No. That is it. I swear to God, I will show you my messages. I'll show you.
Bruh, just...
That's all I have.
All right, just do me a favor, toss a cigarette.
Yes.
Just turn around real quick.
Bro, and he got that lightheaded from the double drag, so he's just gonna run straight across the street. Is that him screaming? Bro, that was the weakest I have ever seen, bro. He just started screaming. Like, what, did you hurt yourself? You scrape your knee? What the and he's like crying and yeah, that's it though. That was weak.
During a
He's
search
gonna cry about it in the back.
the
Oh my
vehicle,
god.
officers recovered a glass pipe from the driver's side door storage compartment.
Ooh, bro.
They also discovered a hollowed-out vape containing clear plastic baggies, one filled with a white powdery substance consistent with cocaine or fentanyl,
Hollowed out a vape to carry the drugs? That's insane.
and another containing a hard, broken-like substance consistent with methamphetamine. In addition, officers located a small torch lighter and a digital kitchen scale inside
Wow.
the vehicle. Field tests conducted on the suspected narcotics using NARC-3 test kits returned positive results. The substances were determined to be approximately 2.4 grams of fentanyl and 1.3
Oh my god, bro. He called it, dude. 2.4 grams of fent.
This is it? What's the code? Why'd you run, man?
Because I don't want to go to jail, man. I have a little bit of drugs, man. I'm an addict.
All right. You know you have a warrant, all right?
No, I didn't know
Okay.
that.
Well, you have a warrant.
What the was that? A little vial.
Should be up top, Damien. Pearson.
Yeah. Right after I asked him if he had any drugs, that's why, and then I went to put his hands on his back.
Yeah.
But while Damien is charged
Damn,
with drug
bro.
possession offenses and traffic violations on top of his active arrest warrant, officers have no idea that this will not be the end of his encounters with law enforcement.
That's crazy, bro. He seems like actually upset that he got caught, you know? Like he feels bad and
A
shameful.
group of officers will cross paths with him, and that encounter will have far deadlier consequences.
Ooh.
Around 11:24 p.m. on April 26, 2025, Johnston police officers respond to a Shell gas station on Hartford Avenue in Rhode Island for a reported disturbance involving a man and a woman. Upon arriving, officers immediately recognized the man
Dude,
as
again,
Damien
bro?
Peterson sitting inside.
If he just laid low, he would be cool. Like nobody would be eyes on him. But he keeps up.
in a white sedan and quickly learned that he has an outstanding warrant. Damien had posted bail following the incident just 15 days earlier, but given the active cases already pending against him, officers immediately go on alert.
Alright, well, we know he's gonna drive off. Can we just get to that part?
Now, as Damien watches the officers position themselves around him, they suspect he may try to flee and begin moving their cruisers to cut off any escape route.
Bro shouldn't have got out so fast, I feel like, you know? Like, he hasn't shown that he's not gonna stop, or that he's not gonna be driving.
They do not realize is at this time, Damien will not stop at anything to protect himself.
Oh. Bro lost his balance, though. He didn't even get hit.
Shots fired. Hey! Good?
Y'all hit him? I think they hit him, and he's screaming right now. Well, that is... He was crying. That would be on par.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Yeah, he already got shot.
Get on the ground! On the ground! On the ground! On the ground! Put your hands back! All right, cuff him.
Bro, don't tell me. He didn't even get shot. He's just screaming.
Hey, send a rescue.
Hit me with the car.
Hey, send a rescue. I've been hit by a car. Shots fired. We got someone down. Oh, is he been hit?
Nah, he's like, man, this is my way out of work tomorrow.
Where?
I got hit by a car yesterday. Of course I'm not going into work tomorrow. Oh, so he did get shot. Okay.
He's in the leg. You got a tourniquet? Get a tourniquet. All right, go. Go. Hey, apply pressure right now. Get a tourniquet on him. Hey, a gunshot wound to the leg. We need a tow truck. Where is it? Right here.
I thought he got hit, bro.
Let's go. Wait, side?
Wait, he stopped screaming.
He's doing a tourniquet now. We got rescue coming? It's on the stomach. It's on the stomach. It's not on the leg. Get a rescue.
Oh, he got shot in the stomach.
Where's he shot? I have a tourniquet in the back of the ear. On the back right here.
Yo, y'all are calling... First, y'all call the only rescue is for your damn self for the car that you got hit by, which didn't happen. I mean, there's video of that. And then you're saying you got shot in the leg. And now we're saying you got shot in the back of the hip. What the... Like, get the story straight first before you report anything. Observe, report, no?
No. Hey, we got rescue coming.
Nah, he not gonna make it, dude.
It hurts bad.
I know.
It hurts bad.
Just keep on breathing. Rescue's coming, all right? Rescue's coming. How many? Just one.
Nah, he fading, bro.
One gunshot wound, left stomach.
Only one patient at this time. You want the second rescue to continue in?
All right, well, let's get to the... What happened here? What's the resolution?
On that side of the building?
On the head tower?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what we're looking at here.
During the incident, but leading to the crash and his arrest. The officer sustained injuries during the incident, but was treated and later released after receiving medical care.
Bro, he's fine. He's fine. He got bumped around a little bit. He's fine.
Damien also survived and made a full recovery. Ultimately, Damien was charged with felony assault and/or battery, driving to
Bro, now he can't say he's not a violent person.
danger, resulting in physical injury, misdemeanor, possession of a controlled substance ×2, obstructing officer and execution of duty, resisting legal or illegal arrest, disorderly conduct.
Bro, that's so many, and you're never gonna get rid of those. That's gonna be for the rest of your life.
4 years in state prison, followed by 6 years of probation. He is also ordered to complete substance abuse counseling.
Dude, yeah, your life's just gonna be ass. I don't know, because you wanted to make some shortcuts, I guess. They weren't even good ones. Like, you're renting a Nissan, bro.